The 2025 Mercedes Actros Motorhome in striking red is a marvel of design, engineering, and luxury. This is not just a motorhome, it's a masterpiece that redefines the concept of travel. With its bold red finish, it commands attention on the road, standing out as a symbol of sophistication and power. The Actros Motorhome takes the concept of rolling elegance to a whole new level, combining the robust capabilities of a heavy-duty vehicle with the opulence of a high-end home. From the moment you set eyes on it, the striking red exterior makes an unforgettable impression. The color isn't just vibrant, it's a statement, showcasing the confidence and craftsmanship that Mercedes has poured into every detail. The signature grille and sleek LED headlights give the motorhome a commanding presence, while the aerodynamic design ensures both efficiency and style. Chrome accents along the body add a touch of refinement, complementing the vibrant paintwork and making the vehicle look as luxurious as it is functional. As you step inside, you're greeted by an interior that redefines comfort and style. Every inch of the space has been carefully crafted to create a seamless blend of practicality and luxury. Premium materials, such as fine leather, polished wood, and brushed metal finishes, dominate the cabin, exuding a sense of elegance and warmth. The layout has been designed with both form and function in mind, maximizing space without compromising on the premium feel. From the flooring to the ceiling, every detail has been meticulously considered to provide the ultimate living experience on the road. The living area is a highlight, offering an inviting space to relax and unwind. Plush seating, with ergonomic design and built-in massage functions, ensures long journeys are as comfortable as possible. The large panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light during the day, while at night, customizable ambient lighting creates a cozy and personalized atmosphere. The integration of smart technology means that everything, from lighting to temperature control, can be managed effortlessly with just a touch or voice command. The kitchen is a gourmet chef's dream. Equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a convection oven, induction cooktop, and a spacious refrigerator, it provides all the tools needed to prepare meals with ease. The sleek countertops offer ample workspace, while clever storage solutions ensure that everything remains organized and within reach. Whether you're cooking a quick snack or a multi-course meal, the kitchen is designed to make the process as enjoyable as possible. The bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort. Featuring a king-size bed with a premium mattress and high thread count linens, it offers the perfect retreat after a day of adventure. The built-in wardrobe provides plenty of storage, while the smart climate control system ensures the room remains at the ideal temperature, no matter the weather outside. For additional sleeping arrangements, the living area can easily be transformed into a second sleeping space, accommodating guests or family members with ease. The bathroom is another standout feature, offering the amenities of a luxury hotel. A full-size shower with rainfall and handheld options provides a spa-like experience, while the vanity area, complete with high-end fixtures and a backlit mirror, adds a touch of sophistication. The flushing toilet and efficient water management system make it practical for long journeys, ensuring you never have to compromise on comfort. Driving the 2025 Mercedes Actros Motorhome is an experience in itself. The powerful engine delivers impressive performance, ensuring a smooth ride even when fully loaded. Advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, make maneuvering this large vehicle surprisingly effortless. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or winding mountain roads, the Actros handles it all with confidence and ease. Sustainability is also at the heart of this motorhome's design. Solar panels integrated into the roof provide clean energy to power essential systems, while the advanced battery storage ensures you can stay off-grid for extended periods. This eco-friendly approach not only reduces your environmental impact but also gives you the freedom to explore remote locations without worrying about access to traditional energy sources. The 2025 Mercedes Actros Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It's designed for those who refuse to compromise on luxury, even when exploring the great outdoors. Perfect for cross-country road trips, extended vacations, or simply a weekend getaway, it offers everything you need to make every journey unforgettable. From its striking red exterior to its impeccably designed interior, the Actros Motorhome is a testament to Mercedes' commitment to innovation, quality, and elegance. For those who demand the best, this motorhome is the ultimate way to travel in style and comfort.